Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Ria Manbari Greens at Ankurhati Bazaar near Sholop Crossing and nearby from Shatragachi Junction. So you can see this is the living cum dining hall of this excellently decorated 3 BHK apartment, and it's a grand living cum dining hall. And come and see, this is the balcony space and see the view from the balcony. So this is our complex. This is the boundary wall of our complex, and just outside that, see the entire city view. I am zooming in. So this is the main road adjacent to our project. And you can see the bus stand, and this is the main road. And so come inside. So again, this is the living cum dining hall, and now come this side. So we are entering into the lobby space, and just on my left hand side, this is the kitchen space. Beautiful L pattern kitchen along with this big size window. And now just opposite to that, this is the first bedroom. It's a beautiful first bedroom, and the size of this bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 11 feet with a very big size window. And see the view outside from this window. You can clearly see the road, and you can also see the view of the complex. So this is the view of the complex. So inside roads, the residents are playing. So the sun is setting currently. The time is 5:45 right now. It's almost evening right now. Then also you can see the beautiful light in this apartment, and just opposite to that, this is the common washroom. Beautiful tile selection, and just beside that you can see this is the second bedroom. So come inside the second bedroom. So this is the window, very big size window. And the size of this second bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet. And come this side. So from this bedroom, you can have a look of this internal complex view. This is the multi-purpose court of this complex. So with beautiful interiors and external view. So see the elevation of the building. These are the elevations. And again, see the apartment. Now come outside this bedroom, second bedroom, and we are entering into the third bedroom. So this is the master bedroom along with this attached toilet space. So it's a beautiful attached toilet. And now this side. Come this side. So this is the space of the third bedroom. The size of this third bedroom is 13 feet by 12 feet. It's a very big size master bedroom along with this very big size window. And see the roads adjacent to our complex. So this is the absolutely metal road, very well connected to Satragachi Junction, and just Kolkata Chennai National Highway NH6 is only 1.8 kilometer from our project. Let me zoom in. This is the tower which is situated very close by to National Highway, and these buildings are on National Highway. You can clearly see these buildings. So it's only 1.8 kilometer from National Highway, It's a very nice connected location with this beautiful apartment. So if you are interested about this apartment, then please call us as early as possible, because we are left with very limited number of units and we are offering some great pricing currently. It's completely ready to move in right now. So thanks a lot for watching this video. So hope you like this. Please call early. So please subscribe our channel for further updates. Thanks a lot.